The Wall 2.0. It was bound to happen. What is surprising is that it took so long. Finally, the president wisened up. Yes, I'm aware that the word doesn't mean wiser like it sounds. It means wrinkled, lined, creased, shriveled up, withered, weather-beaten, shrunken, gnarled, and aged. But that is exactly what must have happened, because the last word I would use to describe the president is wise. He is many things, but he is not that. But as they say, even a broken clock is right twice a day. I thought for sure that within the first month the president would have made a trip to the border with Mexico, and especially to the construction site where a wall is being built between the two countries. While there, on that photo op, I thought for sure he would have boasted about the campaign promise he was keeping by building the wall. Given how easily lies flow from his mouth and how loose he is with the truth, I fully expected that he would show the American public how diligent he has been about building what everyone seemed to want: a big, beautiful wall. Although no one calls what is there beautiful. But it did not happen quite that way. Yes, he went to the border, but he didn't congratulate himself at that time for the construction of the wall. I was shocked. Now it has happened. Over a year into his presidency, he has told the world, and especially his followers, that he has finally made good on the building of the wall. Although the money used was already in the pipeline long before he became president, and although it really is an extension of the same wall he mocked while running for office, he is now taking credit for it. Finally, now maybe we can get off the subject and move on to some more significant issues. Maybe now that we have a wall, we can begin to address the real issues, which is the bizarre conglomeration of immigration laws that beset those wishing to legalize their status in the United States. Maybe now we can focus on building better relationships with our neighbors rather than chiding and deriding them. Maybe now we can become the country the world has admired for decades rather than the bully we have become in the last few months.